Hey guys, Ryan here. Thank you for joining me for a new video. In this one, I'm excited to share that I finally got access to sell cell phone cases through Amazon merch. Now, because it's about to rain on me, I'm just gonna keep this brief. I'm gonna go jump on my computer and I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about selling these cell phone cases and designing them for Amazon merch. So let's get started. Thanks again for joining me, guys. Real quick, before we jump into things, let me introduce myself for the new viewers. My name is Ryan Hogue. I've sold over $1.7 million on Amazon to date, including $250,000 through Amazon merch. If you want to follow the links in the description, I've got a free 7-day Amazon merch mini course delivered via email. I've also got an Amazon merch Facebook community. I'd love to have you there. If you didn't know, I also publish income reports on the first or second day of each month, meaning I'm going to be dropping my July income report either tomorrow or Sunday. I guess it would need to be tomorrow because Sunday is my top 5 niches of the week video. But anyways, those are 2 good reasons to subscribe to my channel because they're going to have 2 really good videos in the next 2 days. All right, last but not least, I also wrote a full Amazon merch course. I actually spent like half of the day yesterday just adding new content to it. So if you'd like to check that out, it's over 60 lectures now, I think. And there's a link in the description. All right, let's talk phone cases on Amazon merch. It was funny because I was actually doing a consulting call and I jumped into my Amazon merch like upload dashboard and I was like, oh wait, I've got phone cases. Like in real time, I had no clue that I had phone cases and then there they were. So that was an interesting surprise and a pleasant surprise. This is what they look like when you jump into your product creation wizard on merch. Now the dimensions you're going to want to design at are 1800 by 3200 pixels. And if you go to the Amazon merch resources section, which I know almost nobody does, which by the way, it's okay. That's why you can come to my YouTube channel and then I'll go through it and give you the highlights, give you the need to know. If you haven't been following my free Amazon merch 2020 mini course, check that out. We went over the content policy. We went over the best practices. We went over a lot. So included in there, buried in there at the bottom of one of the pages are cell phone design templates. I went ahead and I downloaded the one for Adobe Photoshop and it looked like this. Now this is a little crazy. I mean, it's cool for generating mockups, but here's the thing. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I am not a professional graphic designer. At this point, I think I'm technically a professional YouTuber, but prior to this, I was working as a senior front-end web developer. The reason I share that is because when I see something like this, it just looks a little bit more in the like try hard, professional designer, which by the way, I'm not knocking you guys that fall into that category. I respect it, but I don't see myself using this. So I'm going to show you the way that I'm going to go about designing my cell phone cases. Now I put, in this Drake meme, I put the hard way referring to this. Now I don't necessarily think this is probably hard, but it's more than I'm interested in doing. I'm going to go with easy mode. So Photoshop is my graphic design software of choice, and when I create a new canvas, I'm going to enter, as you can see here, trying to point to it, but I suck at the backwards green screen point because I don't even know if it's like left is right, right is left. Yeah. I'm going to do 1800 width and 3200 pixels height. And it's going to look something like you would expect since phones are vertical. By the way, you see this phone case that I've got right here? The RyanHogue.com one. And of course I put it upside down. RyanHogue.com one. Check out my Guten review video from, I think last week I released it, where I designed that phone case for my Google Pixel 3 XL phone. But anyways, we cannot sell Google Pixel 3 cases through Amazon merch, spoiler. But yeah, this is how I'm probably going to go about designing my cell phone cases. Pretty standard. I went ahead, I grabbed a design. You know how cell phone batteries are always running low and they put that little icon? So this is a play on words. It's like running low on patience. And I tried to stretch it out and put it to fill up as much of that canvas as possible. This is me going through for the first time. I went ahead and I documented it just to share with you guys so that we can all see what happens. And by the way, at the end of this, I'm going to jump in and do a real demo. But I do like this kind of screenshot approach. It keeps me nice and focused on how I want to take this video. So this is what I ended up doing. I exported this. I turned off the background layers, exported it as a transparent PNG, uploaded it to the Amazon merch mockup generator, and this is what it looked like right here. So as you can see, this is not ideal. That would not sell. That is not what we're looking for. So back to the drawing board. I went ahead and I resized that thing, made it a little bit smaller, aligned it towards the bottom half of the canvas. Oh, and I left the black background layer on. Okay, so now we have a background layer. Kind of like when we do pop sockets, you usually want to leave a background color. Boom. Re-upload, and I'm liking the way that this one looks. There you go. I'm like pointing this way. I'm like, hey, I like the way that one looks. This one right here. So that seems to have worked. And let me guess what you're thinking right now. Ryan, what dimensions should we make our graphics to get it to look nice like this one? Don't worry, I got your answer. This for me was 1001, and it's not going to be an exact science. Use these as general guidelines here. But this is 1132 pixels wide by 1989 pixels tall is what I use to get the nice looking phone case right there. All right, so just as general rules. But here's the thing, guys. And let me just, those of you guys that watch my videos on the regular, you probably knew something like this was coming. Let's be honest. You know me. I'm all about easy mode, but the only time I don't like easy mode is when there's even easier mode available. And in this case, there is. I'm going to show you how you can take your existing designs, right? Your catalog of thousands of t-shirt designs, which hopefully you're on that level already, and you have thousands. I'm going to show you how to take those and convert them into these basically with a drag and drop and one click, or maybe, I don't know, let me think. Drag, drop, click, click, click. 3 clicks. 2 clicks to generate it, 1 click to download, and you're done. Does it sound too good to be true? That's because it is. I'm only going to show you if you join my Amazon merch course. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. But seriously, if you want to join the course, you will get lots of valuable insights, including what I'm about to show you. But there's a tool called merchresize.com. Completely free. It's a website, but it runs locally on your machine. So you're not actually like uploading anything. You're just putting them into this, I don't know what to call it, wizard. You just drag, you drop. And I did one file, but you can do multiple at a time. When you have something in the wizard, I guess I'm going to call it the wizard. I don't know what else to call it. You'll have this pop-up available. My pointing is so bad today. Right there. Right there. And it says pop socket by default, but you're going to want to switch that to either iPhone case or Samsung case. Now, there's a reason why you can choose between iPhone case or Samsung case. But by the way, when you do this, it generates the finished image that I showed you right here, in case you're wondering. Like, this is straight out of that tool. But there is a reason why they give us a choice between both iPhone case and Samsung case, and I want to show you that in the live demo. So let me jump on over to Amazon merch. All right, here we are on the Amazon merch product creation wizard. I keep saying wizard a lot. The first thing you're going to want to do, guys, when you get here is, and this is something that a lot of tier 10 people find out, I guess, the hard way. It's a common question that I get, but up here in the top left corner where it says select products, click that first, and then just do the select all, deselect all. All right. If you're in tier 10, you can only check one of these boxes at a time, one per day, one at a time. You can't do multiple. All right. So if you do a standard t-shirt in .co, .com, .de, that counts as 3. So you will not be able to do that. Just letting you know while we're here. All right. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select iPhone cases and Samsung Galaxy cases. Then I'm going to hit continue. Notice everything's grayed out. That's how we want it, as long as we're just doing phone cases here. If you want to do a design for every product available, like maybe it's a really trending design that you're selling, or, I don't know, cutting edge, just dropped hot news, or, you think it might evolve into a big trend. Like I've shared some with you in my past Sunday top 5 niches of the week video. If you guys haven't checked that out, you probably should. I saw people getting tiered up solely due to some of the trends that I shared in that video. They were in my Facebook group saying, hey Ryan, I watched the video. I used that trend that you shared, the one that you told us about right in the beginning. You hinted that it was only 3 days old and very low competition. So people were using that and getting tiered up, which is great news. Anyways, if you had a hot trend like that, you would want to put it on probably every product available. But for now, let's do cell phone cases. All right, so as you see here, iPhone cases are split up from Samsung Galaxy cases. Let me show you why. So if I go over here and I click upload artwork, and I downloaded from our friends at Merch Resize. Remember how I said they have Samsung and iPhone? Well, if I try to put the Samsung design on the iPhone, it may work. All right, that one looks fine, but what if I try to put the iPhone design on the Samsung? No bueno. See that? Not optimized for the Samsung phone. It would probably really be nice if they just came up with like a universal cell phone layout, I'm sure it's never going to happen because the people at Apple are far too innovative. That's just me taking a jab at Apple. I'm sure it's not their fault, but it's just never going to happen. So if I delete this real quick and replace it, which by the way, when you upload a design, you have the ability to delete it and replace it. There's a little trash can icon. So now I'm going to upload the Samsung generated version for the Samsung phone. And by the way, if we look at these two side by side, you can see that it's basically the same design. The Samsung one just has our image shifted a little bit further down. Also, I should have mentioned, check out my curved text tutorial. I'll put a link right here above my head in the corner in the YouTube cards. But if you want to check it out, I show you how to generate this image in Photoshop. I just dropped that video yesterday. So if you guys want to see how to do that, because I do think this is a really killer looking design, you should check that out. But as you can see here, these are both looking good. If I want to swap in the design that I created with the Patience one and just show you really quickly what it looked like. This was my first stab at it where I just filled the entire canvas and I exported it as a transparent file. Looks pretty terrible. So I'm going to hit the trash can icon and then I'll show you the second version. Okay, so this one I need to go back to the drawing board on for Samsung, but for iPhone, I know it was looking pretty good. Whoops, there we go. Had to switch it over to iPhone. So as you can see on iPhone, it looks pretty darn good. And then the default price point is $17.99 for both, and you would make a $2.89 royalty on both types of phone cases at that price point, which is pretty darn expensive for a phone case if you're just browsing through Amazon and looking at your options. At $19.99, we would generate a $4.28 royalty. So let's see, what's the lowest cost that we can charge? $14.11, 13.50, 13.7, 0.8, 0.87, 0.84. All right, $13.84 is the lowest price point that we are able to sell these at. So in general, it's not bad advice to try to lock in that first sale by selling a new design, a new product at the lowest possible price point. Because remember, after it gets one sale, it's on the Amazon catalog forever. And as long as you have an Amazon merch account, you're potentially reaping the benefit, just getting paid out down the line for every sale that you make. So as you can see here, you can also cycle through the preview models to make sure that your design is lined up and looking good. As you can see, this one looks terrible on all the Samsungs because I designed it for iPhone. But if we switch over here to the merch resize generated version, it looks good on all of the Samsung phones. And all I did to generate this, guys, was I took the t-shirt version, which in the t-shirt version, it's aligned at the very top. And merch resize knows, nope, push it down, and boom, it looks good on every single model. Come over here to the iPhone real quick and upload the iPhone version. Let's just preview it, make sure it looks good on all the iPhone models. They only go back to the SE 7 and 8, which is funny because I know people that have older relic iPhones of the I think I had like an iPhone 4S, if I remember correctly. Yes, I had an iPhone. I did it for 2 years so that I could say that I'm talking from an informed perspective that I like Androids much more. Just saying, I am an iPhone hater. I've been pretty much my whole life. So I have to stay on brand. So anyways, go about your keywords just like you would any other Amazon merch listing, and then come down here and click publish and you are good to go. So that pretty much puts a bow on the cell phone cases. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, guys. If it helps, all I ask is hit that like button, let the YouTube algorithm know so they show the video to more people. And if you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that bell. You guys have been better about subscribing. I do appreciate it. I see it reflected in the sub count. Thank you so much. But somehow still over half of you guys are not subscribed. So it would really mean a lot if you do hit that subscribe button. Like I said, tomorrow, I'm planning on getting that income report out. Hopefully I can. It's going to be a busy day for me, but I'm going to do my best. And then Sunday, you know what time it is, top 5 niches of the week. So, oh yeah, and the giveaway winners are going to be selected tomorrow. So it's going to be a big weekend, guys. I look forward to it. I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at RyansMethod.com. Thank you.